Okay, here we are back again. A lot of people wanted to see this during the daylight. So the snow has stopped falling, but this is the outcome of yesterday.
Get back, Anakin.
Now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. A lot of people got out on their porches already, but we're gonna show you the side of their houses. But let's just show you what people woke up to this morning. See? We can't get out. As you can see right there, look right there. All the snow is piled up. And it's like little crystals on there. It's real sparkly, like a dance floor. So we like that. So we're gonna go outside and travel on back to the back, and we're gonna go outside.
The back door.
All right, we're gonna go out the back door because we can't get out the front as we saw just now. The back door is the way out, as our exit. We didn't get much snow in the back because of the way the wind was blowing. So we're gonna go ahead, hey Pariah, and we're gonna come out here. Don't worry about the laundry. We did some cleaning.
They can't even see that.
Okay. Now, here we are. Oh, here we are out back in Red Pool. Now, it might not look like much, but we're gonna walk through the land, and I'm gonna show y'all America. Whatever.
Okay. Sorry.
The cameraman fell. So now we're in the back. Cameraman, be careful with your boots.
I'm a woman.
Okay, camerawoman. Now here I am. Come on forward, cameraman, woman. Okay.
I can't walk in the snow.
I gotta get down with the cameraman. Okay, but this is actually how deep it is right here. So try not to turn it too far through the back. As you can see, the snow is pretty deep. Cameraman, slow down. Okay. Now this is about the deepest area right here of the snow. As you can see, it's right here at my knees. Can you see that? Okay. Well, I'm gonna take a slide on the sliding board, but I'm afraid my cameraman might fall if we walk over that far.
I can make it.
Okay, come on.
I gotta let go of Anakin though.
Okay. This is the dog struggling through the snow. You got the picture dog struggling? Right here.
Yeah, so
Trying to get a little bit better.
he is in the picture.
Play it. Put a damp on the kids.
Maybe only can record so long.
Okay, I'm gonna go down the sliding board as we see the kids play area. Pretty much that. That's thing is there too. Play in the snow. It's pretty icy here. It's pretty icy. And this is how we have fun since we don't have a real hill to go sledding. So our butts is the sled. And here we go. Oh, this is gonna be painful. Oh, it's in my socks. Oh, it's in my socks. Oh, Jesus, in my socks. But it's okay, because I'm a trooper. Now we're gonna keep on walking area. As you can see, this is the whole back back area. Tattooed on the country of the tattoo.
Need to put my gloves on.
Okay.
Hold on. Hey, I
the pretty
gloves on.
Okay. So let's look at the man.
Look at me.
This is the pretty camera has on the scarf. The coach boots.
Yeah.
And she don't have the coach hat on because she wants to be pretty warm. Okay, camera lady, here you go. Okay. Warm. How are we gonna try to jump back up to the front?
Hey, Anakin, you got me.
Oh, you gotta watch it.
Come on, Anakin.
Okay.
You can. Anakin, he could do it like this.
As you can see, green. See, just all this was a tunnel. I was white, snow everywhere. Like North Pole, everywhere. Oh, look how snow is. And this is the surface. Move. See how deep snow in the flat. My hand.
That's Angel. Anakin.
That's all the world.
Angel.
Angel.
Messed it up. I mean, you gotta be freezing.
This is for the world.
Be free.
For the world. This is for the world. This angel. This dog is messing with my angel. The world can see up. It's gonna be see like but that was messed up. That was me rolling around. Woo! It was me. I gotta swim out of this. Okay, we're gonna go around this way. Now I'm gonna take the dog for a walk. This way. I'm gonna take. All right. These are the house, the back way. Going back to the front. The camera lady needs to be careful here. Pick up your feet. Because it's very hard to walk. Now we're gonna give you
Show the door.
front of the door. Right here. See the front? Alright, come on. I'm gonna show y'all one little thing here. Now, you look over here. The neighbors can see. Their doorway is pretty much clean. That's because they got shovels before the storm. We went to Walmart today, they was out of shovels. And you went pipe. That's the only place you shop in Rantoul. As you can see, but you can tell from the height of the snow that there was a lot over there. You can tell that's piles of shovel snow right there. Whew. Now, let me just give you an example. Step back for a minute. I want to show you how deep the snow is. I can lay back here and hide from somebody right now because I got these walls of snow right here. That's amazing. I just woke up from sleep. And it's nice and warm. Okay, well, that's going to probably be the end of our segment here. But before the end, I just want y'all to know that when you're out in this type of weather, this is how you need to dress.
You want to do it right here?
Okay, let's go back here. I'm going to show y'all the exact way
Come on, Anakin.
you need to dress. All right, come on, follow me, brother. Because a lot of people I done seen out in the country, a lot of non-black people.
Okay, this ain't going on to the weather place, that's for sure.
I don't care. This is for YouTube. See, you must make sure you got on good layers of clothes. And that's one layer. And that's 2 layers for the cold. So you gotta make sure you got on enough layers out here in the cold so you won't freeze to death. Face, I got a do-rag layer because my brother is messed up. But that's 3 layers. Whew. Last but not least, oh, 5 this is how layer. You are not out in the cold. So this the layers to dress. The better that you remember who are, the more catching pneumonia. Thank you. Chances you. This is a Nike #1 news report again. Tony WARE, WARE TV station in Rantoul from State.